Hi guys, welcome to Crafty Zach. Today we're going to build a Harry Potter snitch tree topper. So if you're ready, let's get crafty. To start off, I purchased a large ornament from Dollar Tree that had designs that were similar to the designs of the Golden Snitch. For the base of the topper, I used plastic champagne flutes from Dollar Tree as well. The wings were feathers I found in the Christmas section at Walmart. They come in a pack of 4 so you can make more than one tree topper, or use the second ones in case you mess up. If you can't find the silver ones, I saw that they also carried gold and purple feathers, so you can always paint them silver afterwards. To get started, pull the ornament hanger off. We won't be needing that. I marked a place for where the wings would go and then drilled holes on either side of the ornament. For the wings, I cut off the top part of each feather. To attach the wings, I hot glued the end of each feather into the holes I previously drilled. I used some gold hot glue I found at Hobby Lobby. I can only find the mini stick, so that's what I was stuck with. To speed up the hot glue cooling, I sometimes use compressed air upside down to spray some coolant on the glue. For the base, I cut the champagne flute into 2 sections, once at the base and once midway down the flute. I sanded the area smooth and attached them together using E6000 glue. I allowed them to dry and set overnight. Now on to painting. To prep the flute, I sanded it with one of those green pads so the paint would stick. I then primed the flute with a black primer paint and followed that up with a gold paint. To attach the base to the ornament, I used more E6000 and let it set overnight. And there you have it, your finished snitch tree topper. I will be creating a new tutorial on how to create wings from aluminum tape if you have trouble finding the feathers at Walmart. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can be notified of new Crafty Zach tutorials.